वन्देऽहं शारदा विशारदा ज्ञानदा वरदा 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 वन्देऽहं शारदा शुद्धसत्त्वस्वरूपिणी स्वच्छहृदयनिवासिनी शुद्धसत्त्वस्वरूपिणी स्वच्छहृदयनिवासिनी स्वप्रकाशरूपिणी स्वप्रकाशरूपिणी वन्देऽहं शारदा विशारदा ज्ञानदा वरदा वन्देऽहं शारदा परविद्याभूषिता परविद्याभूषिता सुरवर सुजन सेविता सुलभा सुस्वर वाद्यनिरता वन्देऽहं शारदा विशारदा ज्ञानदा वरदा वन्देऽहं शारदा.
Namaste. Dear children and parents, hearty welcome to another invigorating, engaging, inspiring and rewarding academic year. Contagious spread of the deadly virus has restricted and limited our access to many normal things we have been doing during the academic year. In spite of the technical constraints, both teachers and students gradually unfolded the wonders of digital technology and coordinated all the school activities with maximum number of student participation. This year, many constructive programs are included in our regular schedule as we are heading towards becoming Center of Excellence. I can assure you that our teachers will guide you to navigate through the learning content using all feasible techniques to help you achieve your goals. Your active participation in all the scholastic and co-scholastic activities will enable to sharpen your skills and develop your innate talents. Looking forward to working and learning with you. Please do reach out to share your concerns and hopes. Together, we will work wonders. Let us welcome challenges. Look for opportunities in every situation we learn and grow in wisdom. Thank you. Take care.
Hi, Namaste children. Welcome back to our school. How are you? Okay, I am Geeta Pashupati teacher taking maths. Okay, welcome back to our school. Okay, this year we'll think about the role models. Do you have a role model? What is meant by role model? Great people, great persons like Gandhiji, Mother Teresa, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. We'll listen to, we will read about them, we'll hear about them, and we'll follow them. Okay? So let us think about role models this year. Okay?
Good morning, children. Thought for the day. Strive for progress, not perfection. No one can be perfect all the time, and progress is the only way that you can improve. Try and progress with your work and keep going, even if you make mistakes. Thank you.
one.
Hello, my dear children. We begin a new academic year today with new hopes, new expectations, and bright dreams. I extend my loving welcome to all of you. We will be meeting online for classes because of the pandemic. But dear children, don't lose heart. Very soon the situation will become normal and we will be welcoming you in school. Dear children, always remember, however dark the night is, it passes. It gives way to bright daylight. So dear children, be happy, stay safe, stay healthy, and have lots of fun learning new things in your new classes. God bless you all.
Welcome back, dear children, to a wonderful year full of learning. Enjoy each day and know that you are surrounded with support. Try your best in everything you do. Keep smiling, stay positive, and have fun. You will do the great. Welcome back, dear children.